I'm going to show you how you can tell whether a plant is alive or dead with the use of a 10p piece. Now, after the hard winter that we've had, and now we're into spring and everything's coming into leaf, it really feels great. But not all plants have survived. We had a particularly cold snap in December. And what do? Is the plant alive or dead? I mean, it looks pretty dead, but you want to give it a chance. You don't want to rip anything up that still could be alive. Well, use your 10p piece. Get hold of a stem and just scrape away a bit of the bark. And as you can see there, it is all dry and dull inside. Now, the next thing you want to do is follow the branch right the way down to the bottom. Just check. Now, this looks a bit green, but these are branches from the honeysuckle at the vine. So they all look pretty dead. Again, get hold of your coin and scrape as you go further down. Yeah, that's still brown. And then go right to the base. And you may be in for a bit of a surprise. And I am here. This is a star jasmine of mine. And as you can see right at the bottom, there is a little bud coming out from the base of the stem. There's 2 or 3 actually. So take the coin, scrape away at the base, and look at that. Light green colour underneath the bark. Which means down here it's alive. The top half of it is dead. So I'm going to cut away the top half, and the lower branches right at the base where the roots are will regrow. So always give your plants a chance. Wait until everything else is into leaf and use your 10p test to scrape away the outer part of the bark and see whether it's alive inside. And that way you make sure that you're not throwing out a plant that's still alive.